I will explain about how we can able to create the grids and how we can able to change the families. Okay. So as usual, I can go to architectural and here I can able to create the grid. So I can make the grid like this way. So here you can find out this is our grid head size. So when you select here, go to property, edit. Here you have some standard. So here you have find out only one. Okay. And after that, the segment you can find out the non or customs. So after that, the line weight and line colors and grid line type, everything you can able to find. But here you cannot able to adjust your radius of this grid. Okay. So when you find out, it's not you cannot able to change it here. So how we can able to find like as per our own style. So you can go to project browser, go to find out the family. In the family, you can go to find out the annotation symbols. So in the annotation symbols, you can find out grid head circle annotation, grid head circle. So here you can find out the standard. Okay. So you can just right click, go to duplicate. So here I can change grid A. So just change the name grid A. See, for example, I create the name. After that, I can just right click, go to type property. In the type property, here you can find out your radius size. So I can change it like 3 and I can apply for OK. So now what happened? Now you can select and go to find out your grid A, but it's not showing here. Right. So you can go back to your edit type. In the symbols, you can find out the grid A. And if you want, you can change the color. Okay. And you can apply. So what happened? Now you can able to see it's your grid you created. Okay. So at the same time, you can just select, go to edit, go to find out the standard. What happened? It's become normal. So again, so this is where you click this one. So here you can able to select, go back to use to choose your grid A and apply. Okay. So this is the way you can able to create. Now you can able to find out your things. Right. What about this text? How we can able to change? I can go to find out property. Even here you can put your name. Okay. Again, you can double click or you can go to find out here. Can select the text, go to edit. Here, there is no option to create your sizes Okay. So I can select again, go to right click to top type property. Only you have this option. This option means you have a grid radius. You can able to change it. Right. Now, when you select this one, you can find out this is in the annotation symbols. This is in the annotation symbols. So I can go to find out file, new family. The family, you can find out the annotations. In the annotation, you can find out metric generic annotation, or you can find out metric grid head. Okay, you can find out the head. Right. Here, I can just drag this one to somewhere, and after that, I can go to create the circle, or as per your wish, you can able to create any type of grid. Now I can click the circle, choose the circle, and I can go for 3.5. This is my 3.5. So if you want, I can select and create the label also. Radius. So I can go for the radius one. And after that, I can go to find out. If you want, I can just drag it up to somewhere here. Again, I can go to find out grid and I can create the label. I can find out somewhere here. So name, you can change it A, right? And the same time, you can change the name, the size of the name. You can put it like 2. And if you want, you can change the color and apply OK. So this is we create. Okay. Now we have to upload in this one to our project. So I can go to file, save as family. So I can G1A. I just go for G1A. After that, I can put it in the project, load into project. So now I can go to find out the standard to right click, duplicate, G1A I created, right click, go to property, type property. Here you cannot able to find out, no issue. So you can just select, go to edit. Here you can find out your option and apply. Okay. So here you can find out your grid. Okay. So you can do one thing, you can go to edit, duplicate. You can find out G1A, apply. So when you select, this is G1A. This one also, if you want, you can check it the different name and you can keep it like the previously. standard. Okay, so you can select this one and you can go to find out your notes. Can select, go to edit. Here you can find out your G1 is available, G1A. So you can select, go to edit. You can find out grid A. It's changing like this. Here you can find out this one. It's changing like this. But here we created A. Okay, right. Now I can go to select, go to edit. I can go to find out this one also here. Okay. Here I can make it like A. Can make it like A. So it's automatically created the name like A. After that, if you want, you can go to find out the copy. So automatically B, C, D like that you can able to create. So here we did three. One we duplicate, one we create our own template. Okay. Now you got it. How I create these things. So all in edit type we can able to find out these things. Okay. So this is the way we have to create this grid. At the same time, I can just remove. Again, I can go to choose one grid. So what happened? So one side only the bubble is showing. Here it's not showing. So better you can just select, go to edit. Here you can find out the plan view symbols and one also default. So you can able to see this one like two types you can find out here. Right? So this is the way we can able to create our grids as a family and duplicate. Thank you.